Want to change your Facebook name using your iPhone? Here is a quick and easy step-by-step guide to update it in just a few steps. First, open the Facebook app. Tap the menu icon at the bottom right of the screen. And then tap the gear icon on the top right corner for settings and privacy. Next, tap on See More in Accounts Center to manage your personal details. Select Profiles and Personal Details, and then choose your Facebook account. Tap on Name to begin editing your first and last name. Enter your new first and last name. Keep in mind that once you change your name, you cannot change it again for 60 days. Tap Review Change. Choose how your name will appear and hit Save Changes. And you are all set. That's it. This is how you change your Facebook name. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.